Hello dear Cancer, welcome back to my channel and this is your July monthly general reading. If you haven't already checked out your weekly reading, Love Plus Career, I suggest please go click on the videos and check that out as well. Let's see how your overall month is going to be and your cards are already out. Let's begin. In the first half, you've got the Neophyte and the Empress card. You're overthinking about your personal life. It seems like you could be wondering if your partner loves you or not, or whether you're always going to be single or not, or whether you're ever going to get married or not. You are overthinking about your personal relationships for sure. The first half looks more on the personal front than on the professional front. But don't worry because there is somebody who sees you as an empress, which means that even if somebody likes you, they're not going to approach you as yet. First they are going to rise up to your level because being in the empress energy means having high standards and they somewhere know it. If around you people around you are not approaching you, don't think that they don't like you, don't think that you're not good enough. The only thing is that you have high standards. So if somebody is not ready to do the work, if somebody is not ready to raise their standards, why will you want them? So I also see that somebody can come back around or a new proposal can come, but you have very high standards, right? You will be asking them the questions. Have they changed? Are they loyal now? Are they giving me commitment now? Do they want to get married? If not, you will not accept them. And somewhere the people around you are also aware of it, that this woman or man has a very high energy. So we have to really level up if we have to match that because they want something which we don't have. So let me just work hard towards it, whether that's financial background, whether that's commitment. Until and unless someone is ready, they will not approach you. Okay? So please do not stress because it's important to have high standards in life. Why would you want to settle down for anything which is less than that? So till the time all your boxes are ticked, you will not be accepting any new proposal or past proposals which are coming your way. Let's see what's happening in the second half now. You've got the Postulant card and the Judgment card. Again, overthinking about everything in your life. I think you're overthinking and stressing about your career as well as much as you're stressing about your work life. Sorry, personal life. You could be stressing about your children, you could be stressing about your parents, you could be stressing about your siblings, your own life. Probably you're thinking, what should I do? I want to buy a house, I want to save a lot, I want to be famous also, right? I want to buy a car, I want to get married. There are a lot of things that are going on in your mind. Judgment day has come, which means a time to make a decision. Not just overthink and don't do any effort, but to make solid efforts and changes in your life. Also, this is a time when you have to analyze everything, weigh the pros and cons, so that you end up making a practical and wise decision and you're not acting emotionally. New offers might be coming towards you, new opportunities might open the doors to you, but are you really ready? Are they really good for you, right? Analyze and weigh the pros and cons and then accordingly make the changes. You want to start a new business, you want to change a job, right? Important decisions. If you think the present circumstances is not helping you, they're not helping you grow, or are they not good for you, please make a move, make a decision, change them, whether it means ending a relationship or friendship as well, right? If it is not serving you, you will not be happy there. So it is the time to make a decision. That is what the Judgment Day is all about. Also, it talks about rewards which are equivalent to effort. So if you think you haven't worked hard towards your relationships or your job or business and you are expecting 100% result or profit, it's not going to happen like that. If you put only 10% result effort in your relationships or your job or your business, you're only going to get a 10% result. Please do not expect anything more than that. So your efforts will be equivalent to your rewards. So if you want more rewards, if you want more profit, if you want more love in your relationships, more respect in your relationships, please start giving that to the people. Because if you're not giving that, you will never get it back. So that is a very good card to have because nothing, no external force is really influencing you but your own self. So please make sure that there are efforts and a lot of efforts from your side in your relationships and in your work as well, and also that you're maintaining high standards so that you're not settling for anything low. Also make wise decisions after weighing the pros and cons and analyzing the entire situations and not impulsively. So that is the guidance and the message that's coming for you for the month of July. If you guys resonated with this reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Subscribe is very important guys, so that you can get your reading in advance. You can get the notification when your signs reading is out. And yes, this was a general reading. You want to book a personal reading with me, you can book it through my email ID or my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. All the details, the kind of services are mentioned in my description box. And to know the prices, follow me on Instagram because I post my prices on a daily basis in my stories. And yes, do comment, I claim this energy and manifest this energy so that you can manifest it faster. And also comment to share your life situation. I will be reading your comments, liking them and replying to them as well. So this was your July monthly reading. Please also go and check out your weekly reading so that you're more aware of the in-depth reading that is available out there. So take care of yourself. We will see each other very, very soon. Bye bye.